How to log into Roadrunner email account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about logging into your Roadrunner email account, so follow the steps. First of all, you have to open your preferred web browser and in the search box type in Roadrunner email login and press enter. You will come across various websites from where just simply click on the initial one that is indicating Spectrum Web Email. Once you click on it, you will be directly taken to the login portal. And from here, in the first field, enter the correct form of your email address and also email password. And in the case if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your credentials for the future login, simply check this box over here to remember the email address. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for security reasons. Now, simply scroll down and verify yourself as a human. Check this box over here. And then click on sign in button after you have entered the correct form of your email address and the password in the first and the second field. But in the case if you have forgotten your email address, you can click on this forgot email address link in order to successfully retrieve your email address. But in the case if you have forgotten your email password, you can click on this forgot email password link and then after simply reset your password. So this way you can easily log into your Roadrunner email account. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.